And now it's time for Lane Tech's favorite show, Statistics in Action.
Our original experiment was supposed to be that people would take their original heart rate, drink the drinks, and then measure it 3 minutes ongoing after they drank the drink. And we decided that this experiment it was a joke, useless.
Pretty much what it was.
Because it takes 20 minutes for a drink to kick in the caffeine that's in it. So 3 minutes is just gonna
go nowhere.
It's useless.
So what does our statistical knowledge tell us?
This is an experiment.
So that's why we're gonna change our experiment just totally change it.
We're gonna do something completely different.
Something completely different with less confounding variables and
less children drinking our
hopefully
drink.
give you more of a statistical result.
And easy, and like the experiment doesn't take forever. You confuse people.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink this.
That sounds good. I want some tea. All right.
And now, the host of Statistics in Action.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Statistics in Action. I'm your host CJ. This Baron book's gonna have to wait. Well, what a great episode last week we had. The group finally decided that they had had enough with the experiment and they're gonna take their chances with the survey. However, that's a big decision and it's a big risk. So later in this episode we'll see how that works out for them, but until then, here's some scenes from last week.
Outside of a Brown Line station, the group stationed itself, hoping to get as many test subjects as possible. Unfortunately, people walked right on by, not even acknowledging that the group was there, often giving blank looks and staring right through them. After a short amount of time, the group began to lose its hope and began to realize that this was going to be a much harder project than they had thought. As shown in this next video, the group began to lose its battle with the boredom and with the cold.
This is our area of work. And we're trying to pick people up and get them to answer our questions. Do you want my mittens?
No, I'm good. Once they freeze over and I can't feel them anymore, then I'll be a lot better.
Problems began to spring up early as the group not only realized that the people around them were not being cooperative, but when they did, they were the ones that were making the mistakes.
Free survey, sir! He's already drinking coffee.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we have to ask him that too.
What? Well, that is if they approach us, because some people won't even get near us. So.
Test subjects 2 proved to be a problem, as proven when this man agreed to take part in our experiment.
So can you find your heart rate? Your pulse somewhere? Even though it's really cold?
It should be like right up here. Find it right on your ear. Tell it when you find it. You were more than free to help me out.
You don't have a pulse, dude? What is this?
Are you a vampire? Like that. Do you mind if I? Sure.
You got something? Or is he dead?
What about down here, man?
Oh my god, we got a zombie.
You gotta wait until...
Alright, like 30 more seconds.
Is he measuring it or he just checking it?
Yeah,
He starts counting?
he's been counting. Oh, wait, you haven't been counting? Okay, alright.
Waiting.
Alright.
Okay.
3, 2...
Okay,
Alright.
we have to start over. I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm sorry.
I have to go now, though.
You have to go?
Yeah.
You have to go.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
You got 81.
Does anyone have a stopwatch?
Alright, so no change. Okay, thank you very much.
Recording.
Okay.
1 minute's time. Alright.
Free survey? Alright, we can
No.
we can at least
Nice
be
people, I promise.
We didn't do anything to these drinks.
That was so creepy.
And then they mumble things in like languages that are not English.
Just walk like this.
Should we just go?
There you go.
An energy drink survey.
Yeah, but there's no kids here. They're all old.
Fuck these.
Not even that, dude. Think about it.
Is
Like,
there any
if
way
someone
that we
randomly
could somehow
asks you
get
to drink
these
something,
back in there?
Yeah.
easily.
Or you could just drink them all. We have 2 more bottles.
Well, hey, we
Not
can
sure.
Failed attempt number 1. Lincoln Square is not a good place.
But that didn't stop them. They turned around what seemed to be a failure at the time into something that worked out very well.
The new idea was to simply ask people what color they associated with school subjects. This is what happened when they started to plan.
So, part 2, the Seinfeld. Do we need that anymore?
I need it.
Okay.
I need the back.
Alright, so here we go.
And then purple or blue, and then
This is improvision right here.
Provision right here. Smart people. AP Stats. Go.
Things seemed to be going well for the group, but answers like this worried them.
What color do you think, guys? Math?
Mathematics?
Yeah, math.
Just any color that comes to mind.
I don't associate math.
Well, you gotta be thinking.
However, the group found that these responses were rare and soon had much success.
When we say the subject math, what color do you think of? What about reading? Science?
Thank you very much, ladies. Have a good day.
And so the group was able to make some conclusions off the data they received. Here it is.
As you can see, the highlighted numbers represent the highest amount of responses for each subject. Both math and reading received many responses for blue and purple, 20 and 13 as you see there. Science received 22 votes for green, and history received most of its votes in black or brown with 23 votes.
And that's all the time we have this semester for Statistics in Action. I hope you had as much fun as I did. But on behalf of myself and everybody with the show, we will see you next time. But until then, here are the fun times we've had with this show.
So this is our, these are our love potions.
About my wiener.
First taker.
Yeah.
Oh no. The thing went away.
Can we test ourselves? Are we going to test ourselves?
I don't know, I might be a confounding variable.
Why?
That just
Because,
shows
I don't know, I have to, like...
Doing really bad.
You're an athlete. I'm not really healthy, so...
Start them
At 20 and 30.
Start now. Dear Miss Gonzalez. No, that's ridiculous.
Okay.
I'm gonna write this down.
Dear viewers.
Dear viewers, our original experiment. We're not gonna show this on the broadcast.
The guys with the guitar. Oh my god, they're mariachis. Holy shit.
Math.
Nathan at work.
New Seinfeld brings attracts attention.
Just goes to the platform, so like they can't really escape from you. You're just like, can you take a survey?
If you don't take me, my partner's at the stairs.
They got those stats.
There's no
Statistics.
4 quick questions, real quick, for a survey.
Just one word answers, 30 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Oh man,
That was the weakest survey
Wrong.
ever.
Counting. I didn't know you could count.
that was mean. That was so mean.
5, 4, 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Yeah, right.
I've not been counting at the no time people.
Yeah, right.
You should just like punch him. What'd you say?
Okay, yeah, right. Hey, you're right.
This guy with the bag?
Get real with no time over here, okay. More quick questions. Look at this guy over here.
30 seconds?
30 seconds.
Sorry.
Now
Okay.
you mean 10 seconds over here. What are you doing?
He's busy, man. He's the bag man.
This is how fast I can open and close my hand.
I have to go drink my coffee. Guys, I have to go drink my coffee. It's gonna get cold. They're probably not real.
Would you like to take a quick survey? Just
About what?
30 seconds.
Just about colors. Alright. Alright.
When you, when I...
Go.
Tell me right.
Yeah.
Okay, Elmo. What subject do you... okay, wait. Scratch. Okay.
Take 2.
Okay. Elmo.
Go.
What color do you associate the subject math with?
Math? Well, red.
Alright. What color do you associate science
Red.
and history?
Let me think about it. Red.
Get out of here. What are you doing here, kid? Mr. Astronaut, Mr. Lance Armstrong, would you like to participate in a survey that I'm doing for school for my stats class that I really don't want to fail?
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.
Alright, you know your basic colors, right?
Oh yeah, you got Pluto green.
Alright. Okay, well let's come back to Earth. Let's do Earth colors.
Okay.
When I say math, what color do you think of?
Oh, math. I took math for about 17 years.
Yeah, what color do you think that's?
Green.
Green? Alright. Reading?
Say blue.
Blue, alright. Science?
Green again.
Green, okay. And history?
Probably a brown.
Brown. Alright. And one last question. What color is the moon?
I haven't been to the moon yet, so...
So you're just wearing it for no reason.
We...
Are you really an astronaut?
No, I'm not.
Okay, alright. Thanks a lot.